Today's video is sponsored by Gorgius Hair, and in the packaging I received these goodies that I'm showing you right now. The wig that I'm going to be working with is a 14-inch natural black yaki straight true scalp bang wig with a density of 180. The feeling of the hair is so good, like it is giving natural hair silk press feeling, yes. And inside you have 3 wig combs and 2 adjustable straps for that extra security. The construction of the wig is definitely top tier. So the lace on the top is a 1 by 3 inches, like the width is 1 inch and the depth is 3 inches. Right now I'm going to give it a quick run through by pressing it out, and I'm also going to be doing 2 looks. Yes, so sit back and watch me do my thing, okay?
Blindfold, tie me to the bed while we role play. Can't skill fold play, kiddo kitty cold case. I'm about shit, but tonight we do it your way. On the count of 3, bad, get money. Broke to the love, we don't want help. If you ever see me broke, I'm probably rocking the cash. Pretty face, no waist, with a big old bag. That could be your fantasy. Chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. You gon' have to come and see this. Pretty like Nunu, sweet like peaches. I'ma be a fantasy, you ain't gon' believe this. Hold up, got Mimi on the remix. On the count of 3, bad, get money. Broke to the love, we don't want it. I'm the one they love to hate, but they can't get past. Pretty face, no waist, and a big old bed. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. Big energy. Lingerie, Dolce, blindfold, tie me to the bed while we role play. Can't skill fold play, kiddo kitty cold case. I'm about shit, but tonight we do it your way. On the count of 3, bad, get money. Broke to the love, we don't want help. If you ever see me broke, I'm probably rocking the cash. Pretty face, no waist, with a big old bag. That could be your fantasy. chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me, but I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy.
So I'm getting to the end of the video, and what I can say so far, this wig is definitely a beginner friendly. You know, you just put it on and go. It's very adjustable in every way. It is very thick and bouncy, and that's the way I like it. The bang is just perfect. It's not too thick and it's also not too thin. The yaki texture, love it. You can also do multiple looks with this. You don't have to stick to one style with it. As you can see, girl pull off 2 looks. So yeah, you can try it. It's definitely a go-to wig. Getting a hairstyle looking like a professional, just put on, like I said, and go. Anyway guys, if you are interested in this wig, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.